So it's our first ever morning in Greece, and the sun is out. And it's
We're the only ones out.
and we are the only ones in Athens this morning, evidently, which is cool. Gonna be a big day. And where better to kick off a big day in Athens than the Acropolis? It is one of the most famous and most spectacular historical sites in the world. Wow, that is amazing.
And a walk through the Acropolis isn't only a walk back through thousands of years of fascinating history, it's also a walk atop the city of Athens itself. And the views from up here are out of this world.
I mean, it blows you away. It really does. You're standing here, got the Parthenon behind me, 360 views. Beautiful, beautiful views that spill out into the ocean. It's just like, makes your heart beat extra fast.
And after an early morning tour of the Acropolis, we make our way down to the waterfront in Athens, where our epic cruise around the Greek islands is about to shove off. So welcome aboard the Galileo. It's a small ship. I think on this particular cruise there are 36 passengers. Let me show you the cabin.
Giddy up.
Ta-da! Isn't it great? So 2 nice beds. Plenty of cabinet space, mirrors, which is great. Couple portholes here. Nice desk with a mini fridge, which is
Thank
great.
goodness.
Oh, and nice neighbors.
Fantastic.
Hello. Got the bathroom.
The head.
Yeah. And the shower's plenty big. Room for everything. All you need, hair dryer. That's great. And then you get a little briefing about each island that you're going to, and then different excursions, optional excursions that they offer. So pretty cool. I'm ready to get going.
It's gonna be a great week.
And yep, we're getting this great week off to a great start with a little party. As the Galileo sets sail, we gather with our fellow passengers at the bar on the back deck to get to know one another, to have a cocktail and a snack, get ourselves pumped up for what's gonna be an incredible adventure. And as the cruise comes to an end, we make one more magical stop and reflect on what's been the experience of a lifetime.
We've always talked about coming to Greece, and I knew, or I thought that it was going to be incredible. But like I said, it blew my mind. It just blew away all of my expectations. And coming on a small boat was the way to go. Coming into these small little ports and being able to come to these really small places with history and culture and feeling. It's been a beautiful, beautiful trip, and it's one of those that we're going to have to do again. There's so many more islands we still have to see.
This is a beautiful, beautiful country in just about every sense of the word. You know, obviously you look at this, one of the most spectacular sites that we've seen in our travels, and we've seen sites like this one all week. And there's so many more out there in the islands and on the mainland that we haven't seen, that we need to come back and explore. I'm so glad we did this. I'm so glad we experienced this. And I'm like you, I can't wait to come back.